Waterproof pressure sensor in a resin package. Overview. Murata Manufacturing's waterproof pressure sensor in a resin package has been made waterproof by adopting a resin package instead of a gel used in regular waterproofing. The gel-free structure minimizes negative impact from the temperature changes, vibrations, achieving the stable performance. To demonstrate the superior vibration resistance of our product, we will subject our existing gel-type product and our new waterproof pressure sensor in a resin package to horizontal vibrations. An ideal waveform maintains constant output for horizontal vibrations without changes in air pressure. However, existing gel-type products are significantly affected by vibration. The vibration noise in the waterproof pressure sensor in a resin package is reduced to about 1/10 compared to existing products. This enables extremely precise height measurement, even in intense sports and other similar use cases. It is possible to mount an O-ring to the waterproof pressure sensor in a resin package. Therefore, you can also use this sensor in devices that require extremely high waterproof performance, such as diving applications. The waterproof pressure sensor in a resin package has an even lower profile than our existing products, so it contributes to space saving and higher functionality for smartwatches and other small devices.